This is a YouTube channel that is faceless, and this YouTube channel is currently making $103 to $107,000 monthly from AdSense alone without even showing his face. And this is the same case for several other YouTube channels out there. So are you interested in making money online with YouTube where you do not show your face but you're not sure on how to start? In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, and I'm going to be breaking it down as simple as possible. Now, what exactly is a faceless channel? So a faceless channel is any YouTube channel that pushes out videos that doesn't show the creator's face. It could be either news, it could be an AI avatar, just like what you're seeing now. It could be the one used from several other videos. But as long as you are not able to pinpoint who the creator is, it is a faceless channel. As you can see, this particular channel that you are watching is a faceless channel, and in the next part of this video, I will be revealing how you can start yours too. I would also be showing you how to leverage on some AI tools to make it easier, how to do it for free, and also other effective alternatives. So when it comes to running a faceless channel, there are three major components involved. The first one is niche, the second one is scripting, and the third one is the video creation. These components are super important as they play a pivotal role in making or breaking your faceless YouTube channel. If you get them right, then your faceless channel has the potential to grow and earn you very well. And if you get them wrong, your channel may most likely struggle. So now we're going to get into the very first component soon. But first of all, you need to create and set up a channel on YouTube. Now this is super easy, and I have already made a video that I'll be attaching in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. It takes less than 2 minutes to do that. Well, if you already have a channel that you want to make use of, then you can as well skip this part and let us move on to the next step. Now, we're getting into the very first component, which is niche. What exactly is a niche? A niche is a specific topic or category that your channel focuses on that would help you target a specific audience. So after creating your channel, the next thing you would want to do is choose a particular niche. The reason this is important is because you want to target a group of audience that your videos give some sort of satisfaction to. For example, if I am more of a fan of baking and cooking, if your niche is gaming and you are trying to target people like me, then it will probably be a waste of your time because it will kill your retention and the whole of your analytics. Here's a little tip. Your YouTube channel name should be brief and should be something that your niche reflects. In order to pick your niche, these are my top 3 factors that should influence your choice of niche. The first one is your passion. What exactly are you passionate about? And this could be a range of variety of things. It could be cooking, it could be healthcare, it could be fitness. The second one is your knowledge. What do you have a broader scope on? It could be forex trading, it could be crypto, it could be history, it could be tech. You may want to look at this and you can pick a niche from that. Another one is your interests. What are your interests? What are you interested in? What do you like doing? Are you interested in shopping, or are you interested in politics or gaming or storytelling? In essence, you would want to choose a niche that you can easily craft video ideas under. Picking a niche does not have to be immediately. You want to take a day or two just to write out your interests, your passions, or your knowledge, and you want to narrow them down before you choose your niche. To make it easier, you can go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt. You are my YouTube niche advisor. I'm starting a faceless channel and I'm trying to pick a niche that is best for me. I have passion in cooking, blah, blah, blah. So here you want to list all your passions, you want to list your interests, you want to list your knowledge and all possible things that you feel you can do. And you say, give me 20 faceless YouTube niche topics so I can choose from them. And ChatGPT is literally going to do that. Now, once you've chosen your niche, the next thing you want to do is you want to get content ideas. So you can easily do this also by asking ChatGPT, saying, give me 10 content topic ideas based on blah, 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 based on what they have given you. Or another thing you want to do is also leverage on Google Trends to know what exactly is trending in your niche. Now we're going to move to the next component of the faceless YouTube channel, which is scripting. So after you've chosen your niche and you have researched content ideas that you want to create, the next thing you want to do is script your content. A lot of creators are missing this part and they simply just set up a camera and start ranting. But the essence of scripting your content is so that you are well articulated in your speech and you ensure you are able to give whatever value your viewer expects. If you do not script your content, you can record a 30-minute clip with just a 2-minute valuable point in it. Whereas scripting your content will make you be able to put as much value as you want to give your viewers, and also so that you do not have a lot of errors or a lot of filler words like um 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 stuff like that. You know what I mean. For scripting, I would typically advise that you script your content yourself because it gives a sense of originality when you add your unique personality to it. However, if you do not want to script your content yourself or you're not so certain on how, you can also utilize ChatGPT to help you script your content. So you simply want to go to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT the prompt saying, give me a well-detailed video script on 5-minute healthy banana oat cookies. So this is if I'm going under the cookie niche. It should be beginner friendly, it should have a great hook for viewers, and it should sound like the way I talk. Make sure to use simple grammar and make it sound natural. Now, the reason why I imputed it should sound the way I talk, I know a lot of you will be wondering, is because ChatGPT is an AI platform and constantly studies your approach with it. I've been using ChatGPT and I have a lot of prompts I've given it. So based on the way I will talk and the way I would respond, it should come up with a well-detailed script based on the way I talk. And if you look at it, this sounds like what an actual person would say. However, what you want to do is you want to read through it and kind of make a little changes wherever needed, just to add a sprinkle of your own personality and your uniqueness to it. By the way, if you're finding this super helpful because I'm giving a lot of value here, make sure to hit the like button, do well to subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon so YouTube will notify you first when I drop another video. Now, on to the next component and the next step. Once you have created your script, the next thing you want to do is create your videos. Now, this is important, but this should not be considered more important than the other components I've mentioned, because this is another thing a lot of creators do that is a mistake. They focus on the video creation even in a niche that is not clear or in a content that is poorly scripted. So make sure you take every step of this very, very important. Now, you can easily get this done by doing a screen recording of your laptop with a voiceover on it if it's something that you are showing on your laptop system, like maybe how to use a particular tool or an online tool. You can also just show your hands doing it. For example, if it's something that involves you using your hands like cooking, like this particular one that we created using ChatGPT, maybe you want to prepare healthy banana oat cookies, you can simply set up the camera to just show your hands, show the ingredients you are using without exactly showing your face. Another way you can also do this is by compiling stock images, videos, and graphics. If your videos involve explaining a concept, like explainer videos, you may want to use like sort of animations, you want to use like images, graphics. Now, for this particular one, you would need to have some video editing skills. And if you do not, there are actually AI tools out there that can take your scripts and turn it into a faceless video. One of the very notable ones is InVideo AI. So you want to simply go to invideoai.io and sign up. Once you've signed up and logged in, you want to click on Create AI Video. Once you've clicked on that, it will simply take you to this page where you can give it a topic and it will literally generate a video based off its intelligence. But since we have our script, we can choose Use My Script. And here you can now input your script which you have generated either by yourself or using ChatGPT and simply click on Continue. And if you follow through the process, InVideo AI is going to generate a video for you in a matter of minutes. And this is an idea on how your video would look like after it has generated your video.
In the realm of finance, every decision is a stepping stone towards prosperity. Here are 5 savvy strategies to bolster your financial health. 1. Create an adaptable budget. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you towards your goals while allowing for detours. 2. Save before you spend. Make it a rule to put away a portion of your income before you even think of expenses. It's a simple step with a profound impact. 3. Pay off debts promptly. There's no freedom quite like being debt-free.
Amazing, right? Now, this is something anyone can literally do. It's free to try out, but you may need to upgrade to be able to create as many videos as you want, download in higher quality, and remove the watermark. Also, another effective alternative is to simply hire a video editor. I think this one is more straightforward. I have attached a link in the description. So you want to click on the link in the description and it will take you to the Fiverr marketplace where you can sign up easily. That way you will be able to claim any discount that is available for new joiners on Fiverr. Once you've signed up and logged in, you then want to search for FACELESS YouTube Video Editor. Now you can see there are several of them and you can hire freelancers to help create your videos with whatever budget you have. If you're someone who's looking at building a faceless channel with an intention of growing a brand, honestly, I would suggest that you go for this because it gives a lot more professionalism to it. Now you can see that I've given you both the free options and also other effective alternatives. Now, once you've created your videos, you simply want to upload them to your channel and start amassing views. Now, as a new creator, I would advise that you focus on putting out more content at least once a week, as this will help you get more visibility to your channel. And just like that, you have started a faceless YouTube channel. And if you follow the step-by-step process, you can actually do this for free. Mind you, there are a few other kinds of faceless channels that you can do. For example, the folktale storytelling niche is currently doing well, where you simply tell stories of African folktales. It's currently doing well, and for this kind of channel content, you may not even need a video editor. But remember, it should be falling under your passion, interest, or knowledge. I've actually made a full explanatory video on how you can get it done yourself, from idea scripting to video creation. And if this is something that interests you, then you can click the video here. I'm going to be attaching it here and you can check it out.